We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be through.
Someone would love me. Someone would love me. I just hope that someday someone would love me. Someone would love me. Someone would love me. I just hope that someday someone would love me.
Because he said, I don't want to learn to stick with this. He's like, I have a lot of anxiety and I stall. That's really scary. It's not Scott. Oh, yeah?
hope that someday someone would love me.
I did. Yeah, but it's not as, it creates more fines. Every time you do that, you gotta knock the bird out of alignment.
Hey man, if you can handle that, then it doesn't go on tables. We got say lacto ferment. What was the tasting notes on the lacto ferment? I'll find it.
Yeah, we don't have our printouts.
I know.
There's no printouts.
Hey, man.
What are the printouts this time?
Hey man, no printouts this time. This was a lot more last minute than the last time.
Yeah. Hey, but that's why I brought the Alita, because it's got the notes on it. You get the card. Could have brought the cards, man.
You're the only prepared one here, Brian.
I could have brought the other say, but we'll do this one because all the others are difficult to taste. They're all too complex.
What do you mean too complex?
They're like wash coffees.
Yes. But I mean,
It's pink grapefruit and berries.
Right, you can smell that from here.
Right, berries.
well, yeah, no, the smell
Smell
of
this
this
one. You
one's
can
really
smell the
strong.
berries from here. Wow.
Do you smell it?
You should smell this.
Do you want to smell it? Yeah, I'll put it up to your nose.
You can smell, yeah, here.
I know it's really strong.
This should probably be super sweet.
Well, I already started brewing at 98.
Dude, 100 only. You gotta like long bloom these guys. Got the high extraction.
But this one like actually tastes like this one.
We'll do the Brian method.
What's that?
The 50 swirl, the 50 swirl.
Oh, I see.
You gotta let it bloom like a minute. EY.
Oh my god. It's,
Probably smell. I smell. Like you can kind of smell it here.
just ignore my anime weed coaster pad. You cannot see.
You can't see. It's covered.
Exactly.
Wait, did you bring the coaster or something?
Yeah. I stole this from a convention when I was bartending at.
The anime one?
It's a good coaster. It was like $50 off of AliExpress.
You stole it from Putting on Face Connect.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Cut that out.
We'll cut it out.
I stole nothing.
Don't worry. Yeah.
I took nothing.
Temperature every second.
Yeah. I actually only lost like 2.
That's like the
Surprisingly.
Japanese now, right? Go down.
Yeah. Where they want to drop it as you go.
Yeah, it helps round out a lot of stuff.
Because like there is also the method of doing like really cold through at the very end.
Yeah, he did a 30 70 at the end. Dude, that's a recipe that I use sometimes.
This will take a while to draw down because of it though. That like 50-50 flavor at the beginning just like slows it down so much.
Yeah, you lactate, ferment. This is what's the varietal?
Pink for about.
Wow. I really like this one cool.
That's pretty hot stuff.
Yeah, this one's better. This one's better.
It's me up there all night.
And trying
Now
out
having
brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm
Birthday
tired
party.
of staying up late. I can overstay the
sushi place.
you. Settling down with the one you know.
my outfit.
Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand 'cause 'cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence, saying nothing. You could just hold my hand.